Hello, everyone. It's Chrissy here. Just made another trip to my local Hobby Lobby store to check out fall craft products. Whether you're looking for something for you or something for the kids, something to keep you busy during those upcoming fall months, soon to come, soon to be here, this video will feature items for your crafting pleasure. Right now, we're looking at the fall craft aisle. It's full of little trinkets that you could either use for filler if you like to have a little seasonal decor throughout your home, like I do, or if you want to make crafts for any upcoming shows or just for your own pleasure. My Hobby Lobby store has it all right here for you. Right here, you're looking at some of the little pieces, such as the hay bales and also things for the kids, whether your kids are like to draw or make crafts. If they're more of a hands-on type person, my Hobby Lobby store has exactly what you need. And if it's not just for you, it could be for your church as well, or any events you may have going around in your town during the fall season. It's nice to have these things handy so that the kids can enjoy the fall season too. And right now, all fall merchandise at this time is 40% off at Hobby Lobby. For some reason, they decided to go with the discount early. I noticed there was a little bit of talk about people really, the previous holiday, 4th of July, that it took them long time to put things on discount. I don't know if that had something to do with it, but about a week or two later, after that, fall went right on sale at 40% off. So take advantage of all of that your store has to offer right now while it lasts. It's going to be a lot of early shopping as usual. So you want to get out there early and get all the things that you need. I like these items here where you can use those little pens or crayon type pens and color in those wooden items. Here's one, a wreath for you. That's bold. If you use any of these crafts, let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts on the usefulness of them. How did your product come out? And yeah, let me know in the comments. That'd be quite interesting. And now into the fabric department. Many fall favorites, and then I saw a couple of new patterns. This one looked new. I like that one with the dogs on it. And as usual, the leaves, those are super popular. The leaves and also the flannel fabric is very popular. They're usually first to go. Anything with fall leaves, pumpkins on it, sunflowers, whether it's in your cotton or in your flannel, it goes rather quickly. So you want to get out there soon and take advantage of that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Tell me what crafts you're looking forward to getting into for the fall season. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my page, hit the like and share button. Share it with a friend.